All right, we're back at it. You can see we have smoke. We're chuffing. I put the lid on because that helps keep the parts cooler with the lid on. Air flows in and out, and that, rather than just having the room in there, you know what I mean? Okay. Uh-oh, hold it still, Dennis. I forgot. Sorry, gang. I lost my head there for a second. Okay, I got my arms holding it real still now. I have the first of the harness cables wired in. I've got the motor and the heater for the smoke wired in to the harness fully. I still have the puff and chuff power and the chuff trigger wired in temporarily, so I have 4 more wires to solder in. I'm half done. I increased the diameter of the wire on this trigger, and it seems to have helped this quite a bit. I still have a lot of leaks here. I temporarily put the stack in so it helps focus the smoke and what you see. Getting 2 chuffs a pulse, I think, is doesn't give us a good opportunity to see the smoke. And I can slow it down, and you can then see the puffs. But in between the puffs, it still is smoking. And the thing I'm thinking is the motor doesn't really break. The fan may be too big, you know, just pushing so much air, it just continues to flow in between pulses. I'm not sure what it is. But in any case, it is. I tested all the circuits. They are braking. It is putting on the brakes. It is puffing, and it is idling. I'll show you if I can show you idle. There's idle. Okay. So a stream of lazy smoke while you're at the station. There, all aboard, you know, get your bag, make sure you get your bag. Watch your step, ma'am. Okay. And then we get these orders, you know, you're released, okay. Starts out. I'm gonna move this around so I can actually move it a little more. So he's pulling out. I don't know why it loses power on that board. Low power, the soundboard gets a little fluky. That's a little over halfway. That's it. What is that? 60 miles an hour. And 60 miles an hour, you know, for us, that doesn't seem like a lot. We still got more power. But we don't have a load, and we're on the rollers, and we're just kind of running freewheel. So that's pretty good. If you had a load on here, that would be pulling you down a little more. Uh-oh. Shit. Short-circuited. Did you hear it? I loaded it up, and it tried to push it, and it went dink. It got mad at me. I can't load up these old transformers like that. They will let you know that's not right. Oh, he's still unhappy. Okay, well, there could be something else going on. I'll have to check things out. In any case, I will... oh, there is something going on. I see it. The wires had moved over. The other side isn't connected, so that wire is able to flip around. That's where we are. And there's the guts. Yeah, I'm really excited how cool these things are. These boys get a little warm on me. This one is starting to unpeel. I didn't glue it, and I wished I had now because it's starting to move on me, so I got to keep that down. But boy, it's really coming together. Let me get the other side, and I'll make another video. If there's any way I can put both bodies on and run it today, I will, but I'm not sure I can. I have 2 hours, okay? So we're moving. We're making improvements and putting it together. Okay, later, gang.